To know that jail facilities here in our country are facing a lot of problems even before the pandemic, and one of that is the increasing number of detainees which make them more vulnerable. Health and sanitation. Every prisoner has personal needs, especially when it comes to their hygiene and health. But as we can see, facilities try to give them their needs, but they failed in many ways. As COVID-19 catch the attention of the world on how to battle this infectious disease, we forgot to pay attention to the most dangerous place for the spread of such outbreak. Prisons where thousands of people and often limited access to health care make for the risky situation. Social distancing is impossible in Philippine jail, especially in Manila City Jail. According to the Human Rights Watch, they should also consider releasing older prisoners and those with underlying medical condition who would be at greater risk if they become infected. Chief Justice Josado M. Peralta said in order to release over the weekend that granted bail and releasing indigent prisoners on recognizance would help stanch the spread of novel coronavirus that has infected both prisoners and staff. Phil Robertson, the Deputy Asia Director at Human Rights Watch, said in order to avoid outbreak inside the jail and prison, they should release those with underlying health condition and old prisoner. Human Rights Watch received some complaint about health of their relatives inside the facilities, particularly Manila City Jail. And they said that facilities ignore their complaint about the safety of their relative, particularly on health issues. This is one of their solution to the health problems, especially tuberculosis patients, which is prone to the infectious disease, which is the coronavirus. Some facilities provide isolation outside the prison because it would be a big help to everyone inside the jail to avoid infecting the staff and inmates. And based on the World Rape Database, the Philippines has the highest jail occupancy rate in the world, and it gets worse in the Duterte government war on drugs, where thousands of people have been jailed since July 2016. The COVID-19 outbreak made the facilities more crowded since March 2020. Thousands of people arrested in temporary detention for curfews violation and other offenses. This picture speak a lot of words. As you can see, overcrowding facility is not new problem to the BGMP, but until now, we can't find solution to fix this problem. Every year, it gets worse, which also put the life of other inmate make miserable. Raymond, Raymond Narag said, the Supreme Court can order the prisoner released on health and humanitarian ground if the petition is filed with the court. To avoid such outbreak inside the jail, they should take action immediately to prevent more problems.